Hello, today we are going to be going over the steps for how to create a Kyocera scan to SMB address book entry. Open an internet browser, type the IP address of the copier into the address bar, and press enter. Click Address Book, Machine Address Book. Before proceeding, you will need the information below: the host name or IP address of the PC where the folder is located, the shared folder's name, then finally a username and password that has admin rights to the PC. If you do not have any of the information that was listed in the previous screen, you will need to contact the Dex Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT before you can create the SMB entry. Click Add. Type in the name of the user whose folder information is being entered, then scroll down. Enter the host name of the computer or IP address, the path, which is the folder name, then finally the admin username and password. Click Connection Test to ensure that the information that you have entered is correct. If it fails, then you will need to re-enter the information or contact your IT department. After creating the folder path and login information, you will click OK to complete the entry. Since nothing was created, the OK button was not clicked. Next, add the new SMB destination as a one-touch key. Click Settings, Address Book. Then after selecting the destination from the address book, click Submit to create the one-touch key. This concludes the tutorial for how to create a Kyocera Scan to SMB address book entry. Thank you for choosing Dex Imaging, and please subscribe to our channel.